Sometimes it pays to hide in plain sight. Blending into the background comes naturally to a stonefish. Good looks? Not so much. And the deceptive stonefish has many hidden talents. 13 spines on its dorsal fin, loaded with the most deadly venom of any fish. Protect it from attack. But still, it chooses to hide, burying itself into the sand in a disappearing act so effective, it's scary. The stonefish is almost impossible to spot and to avoid. One of the fastest moves in the animal kingdom. It creates an inescapable suction field. Gone in 16 milliseconds. Whether predator or prey, when life hangs in the balance, only the most potent superpowers will save the day.